we have the third speaker, Mr. Amit Sharma, the Secretary IT, Transport, Rural Development and Science and Technology, Union Territory of Ladakh.
Good afternoon, everybody. Post lunch session to keep everybody awake after the lunch is always a challenge. We're just making a humble attempt. And also, my gratitude to the organizers, Elite Technomedia, who have called me all the way from one end of the country to the other to be a part of this important knowledge exchange program, which is always a pleasure to be and to exchange good thoughts, good ideas, technological transfers. So no better place than this one like this to work upon. Coming back to Ladakh, it is an upcoming union territory, as you all know. It was actually, it's a very small in terms of number of districts. That is Leh and Kargil. These are the two districts. But it has the largest geographical spread. It is one of the largest. If you see the district, all details, Leh used to be one of the largest in terms of the spread, square kilometers. So we have different kinds of challenges out there, like every place has. But since I took over as secretary for information technology and multiplicity of other departments like transport, rural development, and I think you missed out the list. I am MD SIDCO also there, and disaster management, and the list is quite long. So the point is, prior to this, I was IT Secretary Jammu and Kashmir, UT, and even CEO Jakega there. So the streak started from there only. From there, we pushed on with few reforms which we carried on post-19 here as well. And I'm happy to share that we are into a bandwagon where we are taking Ladakh to level next. In the sense, like we are coming up with an independent state data center there very soon. We are in the final stages of that. Alongside, we are coming up with a lot of solutions like making all services online. I fully agree to our friends from Karnataka and Kerala everywhere that it is a must these days. I still recall words of my erstwhile chief secretary in JK that, you know, he used to tell me that, Amit, you make systems take up to that level, make services online that people don't have to come to our offices for work. If they come, they should come for a cup of tea, just exchanging vibes, because he's right, pain area. It's a pain area still in India, that colonial mindset is not gone. Let's be very frank and candid about admitting one thing, that people person sitting on this side of the chair and the person coming from there still has that fear psychosis. I remember the streak of reforms I brought when I used to be SDM long back. In my subdivision, it was one of the remotest subdivisions, and we launched first official website among us all in J&K at that time. It was Dudu Basantgarh. It went on to win, I think, CSI Niland Award also, like one of the initiatives and remotest, because this area used to remain cut off for 6 months because of that tough terrain it was, because of the geographical conditions, ice and everything, snow clad and all that. So I mean to say, when people realize that I have made everything online, everything certificates are coming out automatically. We used to have a practice of PRC, if you know, popularly known as State Subject Certificate, Permanent Resident Certificate there. So when everything went on like this, somebody came and met my Patwari and said, this certificate ये तो आ गया, but is it right? सर आप इतना पैसा लो और मुझे बताओ कि क्या गड़बड़ है इसमें, इतना जल्दी तो आ ही नहीं सकता. So this is the pain area. I'm talking long back, and this still persists. So interface has to finish off. Technology has to take over. And you feel so great, the reform which started in erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, that is now it is divided like Telangana, we can say the major part is there, and Karnataka have seen the light of the day. Now every state is competing one amongst others. These kinds of ICT events are taking place and many such activities. People are aware, and good amount of interpolations and thinking is going on that how things are to be changed. And this is new India. This is new India, especially with Digital India Part 1, Digital India Part 2, how we are moving ahead. Like we have got people, I'm so happy to say Amazon Web Services and such things have come up, like clouds are coming up. People are coming up with ideas how to keep data secure and all that. So I mean to say, sky is the limit when you have to go for reforms. Even Karnataka would say still lot to do. Although people say that they have reached the state of maturity, but I don't agree. It's an ever-growing field. The more you do, the better it is. So similar is the case of Ladakh. Like we are with lot of models which are coming up. We are coming up with Safe City, lot of integrated command and control center. I'm Secretary Disaster Management also there. So there we are coming up with. We already have established one emergency operations center, and now we are making it functional, trying to see real time, like where disasters are taking place or where future things, because that is a terrain where problems are there. Say we have cloud burst, a major problem in Leh Ladakh and those areas. So similarly, such kinds of things have to be countered. Technology helps us to reach a level, to mitigate the disasters. In transport, we are implementing a lot of reforms, a lot of smart city ideas we are implementing there. So it's a long list where we are going ahead with, and we have a lot more to do. So I would request all the, I would say the sponsors, the corporates who are sitting here, we will have a red carpet welcome to you. You come up with your ideas, whichever areas you believe are still lacking there, or you find some scope in, you are most welcome to pitch in with the right kind of mindset to help the cause of people there. It's a small place, but very much tech savvy. Like, I'll just share before closing. We are coming up with public Wi-Fi there. It is the idea for many to catch. I know sitting here will catch up with this idea, but with a difference. The model would be pay and use. It won't be simply like going to a corporate, putting up all the Wi-Fis and all. We want to make it secure also. We are bordering a very sensitive place. That is, we are near our neighbors. Like always there is a problem. Galwan was an example. And similarly, many such things happen. So we have to be security doubly sensitive while using technology in these areas. We have to be very safe, very secure, resilient, and to catch up with cyber warfare, which is the next in thing, as we all know it. So we, sitting at such a place, my priority, even as telecom secretary there, is to raise towers and then provide secure connections to last mile users. We have vibrant village programs running there till the last point of the border, touching China and all. So we have to use technology, but with a caution. That's my word to everybody. And if you are ready with such kinds of solutions, Ladakh is one of the best place for you to visit. And just for your knowledge, like next month as a part of the ICT, we are organizing a big, I believe, this transformational conclave, IT conclave. And you all are welcome. Most of the colleagues who met me here said already they've got letters from my side. And I wish that ELETS also organize such a kind of grand gala event in upcoming summers there. So thank you and wish you all the best.
Thank you.